Okay.
I see you.
Yeah.
I see you back there.
I'll be shocked if I'm the only board here.
Nah, I wouldn't be surprised.
There's not too many 6th generations fixed up.
I hate looking at Miatas because it always makes me want one. I had one like this, dude. I had one. And I hate looking at RX-7. It makes me want one.
Oh, RX-7, bro.
Oh, this is the F edition. Oh man, look at this. Dude, my buddy had a car like this.
I know.
Oh, that's pretty dope.
All the time, bro.
Yeah, I just see all the time on the streets, right? And I'm like, oh man, it's like it's cool, but then now it's like, oh damn, really brings it out because it's so boxy. Oh, yeah. Is that a Supra?
Oh, really?
Is that? I think I have like 2 Supras in my city. Hey, you know Amor? He has a hat. Actually, roughly.
More?
Yeah.
What the?
He's like, yeah, I got the steel blue one. I was like, what?
I've never,
Really?
I've never talked to the guy about anything.
I'm like, Amor. He's like, that's my computer.
Hey, that was just yeah.
He's like, this is my computer for tofu.
When I was a young officer,
Tofu on the side. That'd be so funny, dude.
I got hey now when I see him, I gotta ask him.
yeah,
Going this. Decal and everything, man. Oh, shit.
it's hard to appreciate this.
Is that original?
Damn you, Initial D. Initial D ruined it.
Wait, honestly, yeah. Well, honestly, you could just build the chassis, right? Build the frame, then sheet metal, like basically the whole body, build it like, you know, whatever you want. That's what I was thinking, right? Because it's gonna be all gutted out anyway.
It's not the same.
Yeah, it won't be the same.
My bad, dog. That's your family car.
Yeah.
It's the safest. We got a wagon. It's about 20, 30 years
Then
old.
you come home, honey, I got what you want. It's a wagon. I got a deal on it. $5,000.
Hey, you guys got the same taste in interior. Empty.
Yeah, that is.
Dang.
hopefully this will be a start of many more carvings and show that we'll be trying to put together the Bay Area. All right, and then again, let's go ahead and support Cabalen Filipino cuisine. They have good food. We have a liquor store on this side right here, so get your drinks. And try to make sure everybody has a mask. And also, we have an auto detailing at the back side, so you guys want to go around, check their products, talk to the owner, get some ideas of what you want to do with your project, okay?
nice dessert. No, I'm just fucking. You got like buddy, what's going on? And I'm gonna videotape it to add extra pressure.
Paul Walker would have drifted it in.
I know.
Reverse drifted it in.
Reverse drifted.
Like it Fast and Furious too, huh? Fast and Furious. Oh, that's
I appreciate the Brembo too.
His car smells like yours.
Yeah.
That's why if I was ever like a street cop, like CHP,
Oh, bro,
I'd pull people over like this and be like,
I'd be
I already know, bro.
I'd be employee of the month if I was.
I already know.
If I was CHP, I'd be employee of the month.
I can
Hi,
see
guys.
the car, I already know. It's like, here, just time to fix it. I know it's fast. I just don't know how fast. The security guard, he's like, you look so familiar. Are you a comedian? And I'm like, why? Are you Joe Boy? Like, if I was Joe Boy, I wouldn't be coming in here.
Let's see Joe Coy. Come on. But okay, that's only one aspect. Now tell me a joke.
Fuck, I don't know. It's game over.
Damn it. Damn it.
Game over.
You gotta work on that one. What's alright? I don't think Joe Coy
All I got
got
is dad jokes at this point in my life.
Sadly, bro, me too.
Yeah.
I think my kids laugh and they just think it's cheesy.
You gotta be corny with them.
Yeah, I know.
Harder.
Hey, look how he stands by his car.
Chest out, butt out. Butt out too. Stick your butt out.
There you go.
It's all about the. It's all about. It's all about the. It's all about the. You know, the thick thighs. Whoa, whoa.
I would do a fun of these.
Take off your mask. Yeah, you gotta show him. Hey, get your joke. Get your joke ready. Joe Coy. If you open it up, at least the seats has newer SI seats and an AP.
On the FG.
Yeah, and an AP1 steering wheel.
It's like a boxer ready to punch you in the face.
Look at this guy right here. Dude. Everyone's looking at this car. Oh yeah, I would make jokes like that if I didn't know.
Oh, no, I know. I'm just saying.
I was so confused. I'm like,
Yeah. It's like, who's the random person?
what about John? That's a big shot plugged in there.
Into like pretty much a ground level car show. I know, you know, Week Fest, we can't compete with those guys there because they're just getting the best of the best.
Well, Weekfest got a little too big anyways.
Yeah, well,
Weekfest used to be in Japantown Garage, and it was nice. It was
They
like,
outgrew.
yeah. Oh, turtle! What does he got? What does that guy have?
This guy right here. The value of this guy doesn't go down.
No.
Especially now as a case swap.
going
Yeah.
Nice car, bro. Nice car.
Thank you.
It just keeps going up.
Oh, take it down.
I'll get it. Later, bro.
All right.
Here. All right, let's go.
I don't think you'll make it.
Hey, so what's under the hood? Let's see. Whoa. Oh, the filter's blue. Nice. Very pretty.
Check out that filter.
Yeah, I like it. I like the blue color. Way better than the K&N red.
I'm in the video.
Of course. Is this gonna be yours later? You claiming it?
Nah, I'm gonna get him an EG.
Ah, there you go. There you
I
go.
gotta instill this knowledge in my kids.
There you go. Pass it on, bro.
Otherwise it dies.
gonna follow that. We're gonna leave the parking garage nice and smooth. Once you hit Airbase Parkway, that's on you.
What's it?
Alright, just take it easy. You might break your clutch. Let's not do that, okay? Thank you. Let's get someone else's.
This one.
That's not what it is. Sky blue.
Whoa!
85 Corolla Sky Blue wagon.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, right there.
We have a very, very young owner. A very young owner. All right, let's go. Round of applause for this guy.
Yeah. Oh, it was.
And again, our trophies and medals are generously donated by Mr. Raymond. And for Emon's Garage right here, let's give him a round of applause. Our venue, Cabalen Restaurant, so you guys make sure you guys buy something inside. Support a local business, okay? 91 Honda Red EF.
Whoa!
The 90s are the legends of the 90s. The competition is really tight, so. Black Toyota MR2.
Oh yeah.
1992. That's for the medal right there.
That was clean. That was very clean.
The next medal goes to Mazda RX-7 white body blue.
Oh.
First medal will go to Blue Celica Supra.
Oh.
No, not there. Over there. He's walking.
The medal goes to White Starlet.
Game motor, that's how nice.
Oh yeah, yeah.
White Starlet right here.
Yeah.
With the complete bumper set. Medal silver AE86. Mr. Leo.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, don't
This guy right
your
here.
sword. No. It's not gonna get you more words. Medal right here. The medals for the 80s. It's the white Nissan 200 SX.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The medals and trophies for the 80s and 90s. This is for your hard work passing smog every 2 years. Paying somebody extra. Legally.
Which one was it?
White Celica for the 80s.
The white one right here? This right here, right after.
Oh.
There.
The 80s, that guy right there, 80s.
This one or the next
Oh,
one?
this one? Oh, this one right here, the one from San Jose. Medal. These guys messaged me yesterday early, and I didn't get a chance to reply to them around 12:30 midnight. Surprisingly, they're awake at 5. They came from San Jose.
Yeah.
This is a red AE86 Coupe.
Cool.
4AGE right there.
Yeah.
Does that mean the uncles turn into Lobos now? That's a hard
Our
category.
first one is
dude.
1978
a
Corolla
competition.
wagon.
Real competition.
Beige. 3DC engine right here, 5-speed. 1975 Dodge Colt Mitsubishi
Alright, oh my goodness.
Wagon Gray.
He's leaving already.
Mitsubishi right there. A very rare species. 1972 Hilux 18RG. The white pickup truck. A Honda 1979.
What Honda was in 1979?
79 Honda?
There was a 79 Honda?
Not sure.
Oh, I see. Is it the gold one? Yeah, there you go, the gold one. All the way from Elk Grove.
Yeah!
What's in the list is a Civic, 99 Civic EK4.
Oh yeah!
Maroon with a very rare supercharger.
Yeah! Where's he at? Gee!
Alright,
That's
the
what's
next
up.
trophy awardee for the 90s, legend of the 90s.
Hey!
Yeah!
We request whoever won the medals and the trophies, please stay in your. It's a 1998 Mitsubishi GSX Eclipse.
Whoa!
Nice!
Very small turbo. Small turbo.
Where's he at?
He's here.
And the last
Yeah!
Humble.
Humble DSM!
Thank you, sir. Right here. 1992 Integra GSR green
Oh, yeah, yeah.
turbo. The Dodge Black Dodge Colt GTS 80s. All the way from Hayward, California.
Yeah! And it's reliable.
There's another Dodge Colt in the market. Trust me, this guy will find it, source it, and eventually own it. Special medal for the 1999 Integra White LS.
Is that over there?
Mr. Raymond of Emon's Garage just want to make sure everybody gets all the trophies and medals that he ordered. And then there's another one that says 92 Civic green.
Hello? Hey! Mike just won. Hey, Mike! Mike won.
That was
My coworker.
I'm just
Hey!
with the face swap engine,
Yes.
a very, very economical engine.
This guy. Oh, hold on, look. Here, I'll show you. Hey!
Red Starlet.
Nice. This is nice.
With the Tom's
I told you today's the day right there, man.
Hold on, I'm on the other
Yeah,
too.
get in.
Yeah!
engine. There you go. La Pap is the IG name.
I want you to get that trophy though.
That's it?
I'm happy. Here, let's do this.
80s is a
Bro,
red.
Get in there, get in
Get
there.
it, come on. Let's go.
Yeah.
I want you to get that trophy.
Very clean example.
I told you today's
Lot wheels.
Yeah,
But they're still best to show.
4AGE.
I want you to get that trophy.
Stock interior.
Yeah,
It's a white AE86.
Oh!
Is that
right
one?
here.
I got it.
Oh, yeah.
Clean inside.
Clean outside.
Clean on the inside, actually.
Clean everything.
Congratulations.
That's the K motor, dude. That's freaking
It's a 1972 Toyota Corolla. Mustard yellow.
I told you.
What?
This side right there.
Today's the day, baby. Get some.
I gotta tag everybody.
Hey, Mike, where we eating for lunch? Lunch is
Right
on
here.
Mike.
Right here. Support the
1975 Toyota Corolla SR5. SR5T 37 license plate. And you work hard pressing the clutch.
been up for hella long.
Got a Apex.
Stock radial tires. It's exactly all original.
All original.
It's a 1978 Datsun 200SX.
Oh yeah, deserved it.
Which one?
They already did the red.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Red roaster. Red roaster.
Red Roaster.
Oh, hold on. Roadster? The Roadster?
Yeah, the roaster, right?
The red one.
The only
The
one.
red one? Alright, the judges have spoken. The red one.
Oh, this one. Yeah, that was nice.
And just make sure that all of your 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, just make sure they're maintained.
He's a good host, dude.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Bumpers. Make sure everybody has bumpers so they get pulled over.
This is what I want, bro.
And,
When you do a video on your car,
Yeah.
I need it to be more
Raymond
entertaining.
and John and all of the guys that work together with this event.
We have to
just
get
watch
drunk.
out for the Facebook.
And then
We'll have,
drunk.
Have somebody else drive our car.
T-shirt that we're ordering.
I could be driving.
Yeah, you can drive my car.
I just wear the helmet like what's his name?
Order, then
Steak.
if you guys want to bill on that one, so we can pretty much generate more future events that we can hold all together, okay?
Yeah.
Again, thank you so much for Raymond and Generosity. Cabalen Eatery right here hosting our event on the parking ground.
I don't even know.
Yeah.
Other businesses on the side. The details shelf on the back side. Please check them out.
Like what I would
And
find.
again, with our DJ right here, let's give him a round of
Yeah!
He's donating his time, energy, and effort out here. Make sure you guys are all pumped up with a good vibe of music. All right, the best of show.
Here we go. Here we go.
There's gotta be.
Best of show.
There's some good shit in here,
I
though.
know.
Fuck.
All right, so we have an additional award right here. It is one of the rarest car in the lot right now. It is a Nissan Patrol.
Oh, the
Truck right here. When was the last time you saw this kind of vehicle on the road?
I've never seen one.
There you go.
It's the Japanese version of a Jeep.
Medal. You have a medal, sir. Medal that we have
I've never watched it. Really cool.
is for the Roadster, the red Roadster right here.
Yeah!
Red Roadster.
That's rare.
Top down, the price goes up.
And the fuck these come up.
Alright, so the best of show. Alright, so this is pretty much a really
I
nice
would think
car.
like the Corolla.
It's a 2006 Honda Odyssey right there.
Yeah!
That's his car. That's his car. The DJ.
Yeah!
The DJ. All right, everybody. So for the best of show, it's a red car. It's a red car
No, kidding.
with 4 wheels. It's a 1995 Toyota
Supra.
MK4 Supra.
Hey!
Let's give him a round of applause.
Hey, is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Oh!
95 Supra right there.
BMW does Supras better.
I want your engine! Keep the body.
All right, again, hey guys, we're gonna take a picture with your cars. So just stay for a little bit and take a picture real quick, and then everybody can bounce out. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next
Oh.
weekend. Thank you.
This guy. Right on. Right on. Yes!
Where's your report? You should have been like,
You should be wearing it.
there.
It is. It's in my pocket.
Oh. Look at that. It was the forged. It was the forged carbon. Right on.
Inside the fucking wagon.
Let's do it right here. Yeah.
Hey.
Right on, bro.
man. Someone, you know what? The company made a rep of it though.
Who had the Integra? Bro, right on, man. Yeah. I'm trying to make a video. I got you guys.